Alright, what's up guys? So, today we're gonna continue. There you go, now you can see me. Today we're gonna continue to paint the Mustang. So, most of the car looks good except for the hood, the roof, and the trunk. So I'm gonna redo those sections and then I'm gonna try and touch up whatever I can, and then I'm gonna show you guys the like finished black coat product, and then we'll get ready to put the clear coat on. And once the clear coat's on, we can do some wet sanding, and then bam, she's done. And then we can drive the car out, paint the bumper, put the bumper on, and then she's done. And then we can put all the stickers on. So I'm gonna get to work while I still have some sunlight, so that because yesterday when I was painting, it was kind of hard to see in the dark, like with the way the light was reflecting off of stuff. So I want to use up as much sunlight as I can and get as much work done in that period. So I'm gonna get to that and I'll show you guys after.
Hey
okay,
guys.
so I went and I bought 2 cans of jet black paint, but the paint's looking pretty good. Like, it looks decent. I would run it right now.
It looks like shit.
Wow, screw you, Cody. Always negative. Cody's always negative. Like, that's just his personality.
Negative Nancy.
But yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna go get 2 more cans of black paint. I'm gonna use up one to make the black look nice, and then I'm gonna just have one as backup because I'll use half for the car, half for the bumper, the front bumper and the rear bumper, because I got parts of the rear bumper, but because it's so close to the back of the garage, I can't really get in there and make sure everything's even. So we'll probably take the bumper off while we paint both that one and this one, and then I'm gonna use 2 to 3 cans of clear coat. So yeah, so we're gonna go get that paint right now, and then we're gonna come back and keep painting. Okay, so we came back. We got 2 cans of black, 1 can of
That's racist. Black.
Oh, you're racist. 2 cans of black, 1 can of clear coat. So we have a total of 3 clear coat, 4 black. So now I'm just gonna get going, get cracking at her. And Cody's gonna sit there and try and figure out how to sit in the chair. Cause he seems to, yesterday I couldn't get it on video, but he looked like he was gonna paralyze himself trying to get the chair back up. It's pretty scary stuff.
I think you have bike license.
Don't need a bike license.
Right.
Alright, so all the black coats are done on the Mustang. So I did about, I would say, 3.5 cans of black to do my car. I could use the rest of the black just to make it like, but I'm gonna use that because I need to do the bumper. So now we're gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna put some clear coat on it. So I guess while we do that, we are gonna go research some stuff to do for the Honda, because the plan is to do a bigger brake kit, better, lighter rims, better tires, because that's gonna be a circuit car. And then once this dries a little bit, then I'll show you guys the result, and hopefully it looks good. Hopefully the camera does it some justice. And then Colin can stop trying to do that thing. I don't know what that thing's called. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we're doing research for stuff. Cody has been very fond of all my chairs. And then I'm writing part numbers and checking it because first off, the wagon has drum brakes in the rear, so we gotta switch them. And they don't make brake kits for the wagon, so we're checking all the part numbers with other Civics to see if they're the same. And then we can just use the big brake kits they make for those cars and then put it onto the wagon. Okay, so we stopped doing research because we found a lot of stuff. I gotta try and not get the Mustang in the back because it's not dry. I don't want to show you guys that. Over. And yeah, so we stopped doing research. We found out a lot of stuff about the Civic. So apparently what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to swap the rear trailing arm from a 94 to 01 Integra into the back, and then we have to get some big brake kits from Willwood possibly, and then we have to do a couple other things like rims, wheels, but we'll get into all that when we actually start doing work. But right now we're gonna go do a Tim Hortons run.
Oh, can we go through this alley? It has like 12 kids in it.
That sounds weird, and I just caught you saying that on camera. Hey, can we go to the alley? It's got like 12 kids in there.
Like they're just chilling in the alley.
Alright, so that's kind of like the end of the day. We kind of did a lot, didn't do a lot type of thing. The Mustang's almost done with like the paint job and stuff, but you guys didn't really get to see it because it's not finished, not dry. And then, yeah, we just didn't really do much from there. I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow because today obviously wasn't long enough. So, yeah, let's just skip over to tomorrow.
Alright, what's up guys?
Alright. So, I will show you guys what the Mustang looks like with the black. And then we're gonna put a layer of clear coat. It looks so much better now that it dried. Oh yeah, that's what she looks like, all finished. I probably, like the hood looks better. I probably should do another coat on the roof, but I'm gonna leave it. But no, she looks good. I'm really happy with it. The camera's doing her a lot of justice. But I mean, like, I still have bangs and dents in my doors, and obviously when they got hit, but that's just street cred. But yeah, I'm super pumped with the way she looks. So now we're gonna put a layer of clear coat on there, and then I'll show you guys what she looks like all finished up. Jacob, how do you feel about your fenders?
The whole car makes me sad.
Wow.
It's just disgusting.
The fender?
Yeah.
I think they look good. I think they look good enough for a drift car that's gonna get hit in like
If I had finishing putty, this would
2
look
days.
so much better. And time. If I cared, this would look so much better. That's the problem. I just don't care about anything.
I mean, we don't got time to spare. We have too many projects. We got this project, we got that trailer project, we got the car behind it. Huh?
It's all orange peely. Sand this down once more.
No.
Yes.
Okay, so the first coat is done. I'm having an issue where the flake is getting caught in the filter of the gun, so it's making it really, really annoying because every once in a while I gotta take the whole thing apart, take the filter out, clean out the filter, put it back in and redo it. But it's looking pretty good. We're just gonna let it sit and dry, and while that happens, we're all gonna go to JK and get some parts for the Honda. Yeah, so we're just gonna go do that right now. Colin came through with the A&W. Yeah. So we're gonna go get some parts.
Alright, hey guys, we're just on the way to JK Auto on Mitchell Island to pick up some parts for the Civic build. We're gonna try getting some rear trailing or rear suspension arms for from an Integra.
See you guys later.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
For Curtis, let's tell everybody about our new classic and hot rod section. 68 Chevy C10, 350 autos, 600 miles since restoration. 69 Boss 302 Fastback Mustang, my favorite.
Mustang.
61 F100.
So now we're in JK Auto on Mitchell Island, and we're just looking for a Civic now, or an Integra, whatever we can find for rear suspension arms. Oh, there's a Delica. We got a bumper here from our R34 Skyline. So we just came out of JK Auto. We had no luck, couldn't find anything.
Ah! I'm in the vlog, Rome. What are we in, Rome?
So when Steph called, they said they had a 94 to 01. Said for 50 bucks each side. Showed up. They don't have a 94 to 91. They have a 93, and they want 350 for both. So I need to check to make sure that the 93 actually works with the conversion that we're doing. So we're gonna go back to the garage and do some research and finish painting the Mustang.
Sweet.
Okay, so we're back at home base.
Canada?
Now I'm gonna get to painting. Just straight up, just gonna start painting because I want this to get done. If it's done today, then that's sick. Then I can drive it and move it out and paint the bumper.
Technically, you can drive it right now. It's just not going to be very good.
I mean, yeah.
You're going to have to wipe all.
I was just about to show the car, but then I forgot I can't show them the car yet. I gotta show the end product. And then I gotta paint the bumper that Steph and Jacob so kindly scuffed up for me. And then we gotta put the lip on, and then she's done. The bodywork's, oh, and then I gotta get him to put the stickers on because he's extremely OCD, and it helps me when it comes to sticker placement.
Where am I putting the stickers?
You'll see.
Put the stickers on, it's clear.
Okay, so the car is now done and painted. It doesn't look great, but I freaking love it. There's so much flake in there, it's just gonna freaking...
No, that's pollen.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, but I think it looks great. For a $300 paint job or something like that, whatever paint costs, I think it was around 300 bucks. It looks absolutely great.
Mako could do better.
You shut your
I could buy 9.
But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. Look at that. Look at that. The camera is doing absolutely no justice. She just looks the same she did before, but trust me, she looks better. As you can see, there's white from the door right there, but there's a trim piece that goes on here. Mirror goes on there so you won't see it. But like here, let's see if I can show you guys right here. Like you can, oh, there we go. You can see the flake in it. When I shine a light, she sparkles. She sparkles. So she's just gonna pop in the sunlight. Oh, I'm so happy with the way she turned out. And like she's running same rims in the front and back. She just looks so good. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. And it's got its full interior now. Oh, it's gonna be ready to rip this year. I'm so pumped.
How pumped are you?
So pumped.
How pumped are you?
So yeah, that was what all the hype was about. Was this $300 paint job. Man, I'm just so happy with the way she turned out. Oh, it's gonna be sick. How pumped are you, Cody?
Sorry?
How pumped are you?
I mean, it's better than anything I could do. So, you know, you got that going for you. But, no, 300 bucks can only take you so far.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna have to do is let this sit today, and I'm gonna let it sit tomorrow. Just let the paint just like fully dry, because I need to move this out in order to work on the bumper, because I'm gonna put the bumper there and then like paint it and do the same thing to this. We did run into an issue where the trim doesn't come all the way over here. It only comes up to here, and when we peeled off the tape, it peeled off a little bit of paint. So you can see the white, but I'm just gonna get a paint pen and touch that up. Might get a paint pen here and just dab this, and then this will be covered by the mirror, so that's fine. But yeah, what me and Cody are gonna do right now is for my tires. So this obviously didn't come with it. I painted this with just like a paint pen from Michaels. We're gonna get another one and outline it just so that it'll make the tires and the rims pop as well with the new paint job. Just like a little thing like that will make it look a little bit nicer. I mean, I freaking love it. I think it looks sick, but that'll make it look extra cool. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that right now and let that sit and dry for a little bit while we go to Michael's and stuff. But before we do that, we have to unload all the tools out of the truck because we didn't end up getting the parts for the Honda. Which kind of sucked. We went all the way down there and they didn't have it. But you know, what can you do? Yeah, so we're just gonna unload the stuff out of the truck. Then we're gonna head down over to Michael's, grab a couple paint pens.
Alright, did you find everything you needed?
So let's go do that. Okay, so we made it back, but I'm really tired. So I think I'm gonna close out the video here. We got a lot done. The Mustang is painted, and tomorrow I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet sand it because it's already dusty, and I don't know why. It's kind of weird. So
Do your viewers know about that?
you better shut your mouth. No, but yeah, so tomorrow we'll probably wet sand it, make it look better, and we can see it in the light. But as of right now, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.